guys, welcome back to another boring video. On this one, y'all kind of saw that. I got some seats yesterday and they look real good. So we're gonna see if they fit. Fingers crossed, because they're really nice. So I'd really hate for them not to fit. So yeah, the guy that I got them from said he found them in his house when he bought it, so he doesn't really know what they're out of. But man, they're a little bit dirty, but whatever I got them for, they're perfect. So yeah, I got all the wood, and they're not they're not even torn up, just a little wear here and there, but nothing too bad. So now we're gonna take the bench out and hopefully those will fit. So to get this one out, as you can see the bolt there, there's only 4. There's one over there, one in the back, one here, and then one in the back, and those are 15 millimeters. So yeah, I got my impact there, and we're gonna see if we can get him out, so hopefully we can put those in and get rid of the bench. So yeah guys, let me get to it, and I'll show y'all as I go. So yeah, all right guys, so I got the bench out, and as you can see, it's really dirty. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the vacuum and get all this vacuumed out so we can get ready for those. So yeah guys, let me go ahead and do that, and I'll cut you back in. All right, so I got it all vacuumed up. Man, it's got a bunch of stains on it, so I don't know if maybe later on I'll get a new carpet for it, because it's really sun faded and really dirty. So before I get a new one, I might try to extract it, because as you can see, up here is one color and down here is another color. So yeah, I don't know, but got it vacuumed up, and now I'm gonna see if the seats will bolt. So yeah, on to that part. So let's see how that goes. Alrighty guys, well, here they are. Man, they bolted up just like if they were like meant. And put you down. They bolted down like if they were for, well, I mean, I guess they are for a truck like this, but man, look at this. I mean, they are a little bit blue. That's, I guess I can just paint them later on, but I got these for free. So man, look at that. And as you can see, the color is a little bit different. These are kind of like a baby bluish, but man, look at that. Both of them slide forwards and backwards, and front to back. But look at this. It looks like it's brand new. Even the center's not even that worn down. Let me get you on the other side. There's the old bench. Look at this. It looks so good. I just need to clean them up a little bit. So I think that's what I'm about to do right now. And vacuum up a little bit more. But man, look at, I didn't even have to drill anything, weld anything. They all just went in there like stock factory seats. So now this one is going on, I think it might go on the bull nose. I don't know yet, but most likely. But yeah, guys, look at this. It looks a whole lot different. And I might just paint them. I don't know. Keep them like this for a little while, because I don't want to put them in again. And we'll take them out and put them back in again by myself. Because right now I had to get them off the bed of my truck and carry them over here. So that was a little bit awkward, but yeah, guys, it's in there. And the center. And all you gotta do, when you take the bench out, the seatbelts buckles will stay. So yeah, it's just like at least for this one's a direct swap for the seat. But yeah, and then here. But yeah, guys, it's in there. And I was looking for these for a long time. And yesterday they just popped up, and I did drive like an hour to get them, but you can't you can't beat free. So yeah, guys. Right now I think I'm just cleaning it up a little bit more. And yeah, she looks so good. But yeah, guys, I might just clean up a little wood a little bit and vacuum it, because yeah, it's got a bunch of little trashies on them. But man, I'm really happy. My wife's gonna be really happy, because she's the one that made me drive an hour to get them. But look at that, man, she's coming along. And I think it still we still need speakers too. So I think maybe on this video or the next one we'll get to speakers. So yeah, guys, and I will put some pictures up on Instagram, so y'all can check it out there. But yeah, still gotta get this fixed, and it'll tidy up the interior a little bit more, because we still have a big old crack right there on the dash. But man, I'm so happy for these seats. Look at that. Well, guys, I'll keep you all updated. I don't know if I'm gonna do speakers on this one or not, but either way, y'all stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Alright, guys, so I figured I might as well just put in the speakers since the seats are already in there. So yeah, we're gonna get to that. So obviously the first thing you got to do is pull the panel, which on this one is pretty much almost off all the way. You'll usually have a Phillips head here and one right here. This one, it's a Torx, and that one's gonna be a T20. So yeah, that's basically all there is to it. If I would have taken it out all the way. But yeah, be careful not to lose anything like me right now. So yeah, just keep everything, or try to keep everything together. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. Just that one, this one, and the window crank. And you want to put your lock down, just don't lock your doors. And there's gonna be some like kind of like clips in there, but this one doesn't really have any. So yeah, I'm just gonna lift it up and pop it out. So let me go ahead and do that. All right, guys. Well, I got the panel off, and well, look at that. She doesn't have speakers at all. That's why it wouldn't play. But I mean, hopefully, oh, she does have the harness. Okay, cool. Cool. All right, so I guess that's pretty good. So that's the harness we're gonna use then. And I got these speakers. They're out of a parts truck my brother-in-law had. So I mean, hopefully they work. At least so I have some sound in here. But man, see if they'll. Gotta see if they'll fit in here. Yeah, well, I might have to get a spacer for them. Well, that's all right. I guess I'm just gonna try to hammer these down and then see. Hopefully, it'll go in there. It looks like it has a little speaker connections there already, so I probably won't need to use the ones I bought. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get the speaker to seat in there, and we'll see how that goes. So yeah. All right, so I figured I might as well just get the new ones on. So let's get the speaker on it and see if it works. All right, so I mean, it's in there. It does need a spacer, so to bring it out a little bit more, because I think the I guess the shape the original one is, it's a little bit smaller than this one, so it doesn't sit in there flush. So what I'm gonna do is probably just order a spacer and get it to come out a little bit. But for now, I just put a self tapper in there, and it works. So we're gonna have some music now while we drive. And the speakers are actually pretty good, so it sounds all right. But yeah, I'm only gonna keep that one because I don't want to drill around it and then bend the speaker or something. So yeah, I mean the other one is the same process, just the screw here, the one that goes here, and the one for the crank. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it for this one, guys. Got speakers done, got seats done, cleaned it up, but it's all dirty again now. But yeah, hopefully on the next one I can do the tie rods. I already have them, they're already here. We started working again, so yeah, thank God for that. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get those on and then take it to get a line. And as you can see, the tires are pretty straight. I guess well, not straight, but straighter than they were. But I think the reason the tires cambered was because I kept pulling it in backwards, and like when I pull it in like forward, it doesn't camber or anything. So it was probably that. And but yeah, so I mean, at least I'm a little more at peace with that, because I don't think they're gonna fall off anymore. But yeah, guys, I got the seats in. I got some brushes right now, so I'm gonna try to clean them up a little bit. Got some tough stuff. I'm gonna try to get the carpet going. But yeah, guys, I think that's it for this one, for real now. So thank you for watching, and like and subscribe. If you like the build, just let me know, because I mean, I'm bringing it together slowly because I don't got that much money. But yeah, I mean, it's getting there. It's turning out pretty nice. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think in the comments, and well, I gotta put this back together. But yeah, that's it for this one, guys. I'll catch you on the next one.